So we're repairing this bucket. I've already cut this piece off and bent it back. So we're gonna have to grind it down, grind out the old welds. We're gonna cut this piece off. We're gonna be building a new piece for that. All right, so we ended up taking out more because there was a big crack all the way down to here. It ended up like right here, so I cut a little past it. That way the crack's all gone. So I got it all cleaned up. So we'll have to make a new piece to fit for here now as well. Oh well, make sure it's done right. All right, so I got it welded in. So gonna clean up the welds, clean that up, and it's time to take that off next. All right, it's looking pretty good. Got it almost perfectly matched. So I got that other old bar off there. It was a little bit of task get off. We get these cleaned up, and then it's time for the big boy. So we went with a way thicker steel this time. So customer wants this thing to last, it's gonna last. All right, so got the new side piece put on, blade, or whatever you want to call it. We fixed up some spots on here. Like this is all broken and actually was gone, so bent it back, welded a new piece, bent that. Ended up putting some stringers on for them on both sides. They said the bucket kind of flexed a little bit with how big it was. We did some fixes of the welds. This whole back spot was all pushed in from the previous owner. I don't know how they did it. They must have hit it behind with something, some forks or maybe. So we got that all bent back and welded back in. Fixed some stuff, some more welds, and it is good to go. You're gonna get it painted and put it back into service.